Save your money and grab these instead. In today's video, we're going to be running through the top designer expensive looks for less on Amazon for 2024. And you're going to want to make sure to stay tuned to the end because we have a whole range in here from just stunning dresses to sets to shoes to bags, accessories that you're not going to want to miss. Everything will be listed down below in the description box, correlating with the number you see here on the screen, as well as pinned as the top comment. Farm Rio has a stunning summer dress for right around $260 right now. That does come in a wide range of colors and prints, but I found a really great option on Amazon for $18. And this dress is just beautiful. It has adjustable straps. I like that it's a little bit more fitted around the chest area and then is flowy and comfortable. It features pockets, and you have to check out the listing down below to see all of the other gorgeous prints and colors. If you have a vacation, a date night, a specific event you want to have a dress for, check this dress out for $18. It is just stunning, and it comes in sizes small through extra large, and I'm wearing my true to size small here. This kind of boho summery loose flowy dress is so in style this summer season, and you can't beat $18. With that dress, I did style this gorgeous square toe low block heel. I love a good square toe moment that is comfortable, and I like that the heel is not too high on this. I feel like this is just a stunning white shoe that's going to go with so many different looks this spring and summer season, and I have just been snagging this, throwing it on to wear with dresses for a little bit of a dressier look. I would say if you're in between sizes, you could size up 1/2 size, especially if you tend to run in between sizes. Free People has the Miranda set that has been going viral this summer season for right about $68, but Amazon has this very similar two-piece set that's right around $38. It's actually what I'm wearing right now. Cutest little set. I love that it's a tunic style. I feel like it's very different than the sets we've been seeing on Amazon and just in general, which I love a different moment. So this is more of like a medium weight fabric. It's a really breathable fabric, but it's more knit sweater style. So it's going to be a little bit heavier than just like your typical cotton material, but it is sleeveless. It does have slits on this side. And as I mentioned before, it is more of a tunic style. So it's going to give you a little bit of length. It does come with the matching shorts underneath that have a stretchy elastic waistband. It's easy one and done outfit you can throw on with some Birkenstock sandals, which I'll share in just a second, as well as some little weight sneakers for just a very easy, effortless, casual look. This particular listing on Amazon does come in a few other color options. I actually sized up to a medium. I wanted to make sure there was just enough length, it was breathable, and I would say it runs oversized. So if you're in between sizes like I am, you could just go with your smaller size on this one. But I also love how easy it is to accessorize this look with some gold jewelry, a little charm bracelet that I have been wearing on repeat, and you can head out the door. I feel like we've all been trying to grab the Adidas Sambas. They have been sold out everywhere. It's so hard to find an Adidas Samba in stock. I found this listing on Amazon that looks so similar, very similar style, but not only that, comfort is 10 out of 10. They have this really comfortable sole as well as the padding around the shoe. I have a little bit more bony feet, so I tend to get blisters very easily. And during the summertime, when you're out and about walking or going to parks, vacation, I want to have a good, comfortable shoe. And these, honestly, I was shocked by how amazing they feel. They do come in a few color options, wearing my true to size 9 here, but this white and gray combo is going to go with all of your looks, and you save so much money. The Sambas are well over $100, and these are right around $40. They actually keep running on deal, and if you want to keep up to date with all of the deals, top looks for less, make sure to follow me over on Instagram stories. I'm on there every single day. We have a ton of fun over there. We all love a cute designer look for less bag. We're seeing styles from Celine, Prada, upwards of a $3,000. Very similar to look to this one. This one comes on the Amazon listing, comes in a berry and a red version, but I love this to dress up summer looks. So it's a cute little shoulder bag you can throw on, but you can fit a decent amount in here. I also love the movable straps here. You can use it just holding it in your hand. You can throw it on your shoulder, but you can fit your necessities like your keys, your phone, your wallet in here, a smaller wallet, and you'd be good to go. But I feel like it dresses up. It's just simple looks, and it gives that total expensive looks for less for right around $24, $25 on Amazon's website. Can't beat it. If you would like a whole video dedicated just to expensive designer look for less bags, drop it down in the comment section. Free People is known for their kind of loose, flowy rompers, and here is a new listing to Amazon. They have a long sleeve romper style with just kind of that gorgeous kind of edging that lots of Free People pieces have. Now, I love the flowy sleeves. Like, this is just a comfortable outfit you can throw on. It doesn't cling, and you can wear it more casually with sneakers. Like I have styled with the pink romper for just more of like a casual everyday look. But then if you want to dress it up for the evening, you can throw it on with some little sandals, some heels. Now, the white is just made so beautifully. It actually has a slip on underneath, so it's not see-through at all. The fabric feels really, really nice and breathable. It is available in sizes small through extra large. I'm wearing my true to size small here on my 5'8.5" frame, and it does have a little clasp in the back that helps keep it all together as well. But the length is beautiful. It does also feature pockets that does not add any bulk to the outfit. Pockets can be a hit or a miss, especially in rompers. Sometimes they can just make the midsection just feel like fluffy, and this is seamless, easy breezy, and gives the look of Free People without the price tag. We all love a good oversized tee for good reason. Free People has their Phoenix tee that's right around $70, and here's a great option from Amazon. So this has that open stitching that Free People has. Just the style of it screams Free People. It does have the 1/2 to 3/4 arm length. I love that oversized fit. Wearing true to size small here, and it fits like a medium would. So I'm also loving the fun colors that come in this particular listing. So this is like a purple lilac with like a nude cream. And then I also have a red version that I've been loving. And I want to show you the back. Look how fun the back is. So you could easily do like a high ponytail with this, a low slick back bun with some little denim shorts, and that would look amazing. Some slide sandals or sneakers. But the fabric is really nice on this. Like I said, it does have the oversized fit, so you're getting good length here. So you easily could front tuck this, and it does have the slits on the side, which makes it like lay really nicely. But then this is easily going to carry into, you know, the fall season because you can throw this on with leggings, a cute denim jacket. So extremely versatile. Check out the other colors in the listing below because there's tons of fun colors that also remind me a ton of Free People, but the fabric is really nice and soft. This will be a summer favorite. I am such a sucker when it comes to a cute pair of pajamas. We are seeing very similar styles to this one from Amazon, ranging from anywhere from $70 to $200 on brands like Nordstrom and more. This little set comes with the short sleeve top that's a button down as well as the long pants. So this is actually going to be a style you're going to be able to wear all year round. But I love it because it's the satin fabric. So it feels very lightweight. If you're someone who sleeps hot and you don't want to have a long pant option, I feel like satin is just cooler on my skin, which I love. And I love the feel of this against sheets. It doesn't tug or pull and at the sheets or your pants, whatever you're wearing when you have this fabric. So this particular listing on Amazon comes in a few color options. I'm wearing size medium here. I do not like my pajamas to cling. I like them to be more on the oversized fit. So if you're the same way, I would recommend sizing up one. Tons of color options. And this is also very nursing friendly. And it can also be bump friendly for the first and second trimester. And this berry red color is just so chic and classy. I've been wearing this two-piece black lounge pajama set from Amazon on repeat, and I found out that it's actually a really great look for less for this particular style on Nordstrom's website, which is ranges, but it can be upwards of $198. So you're getting the same kind of flowy scalloped look that you would be getting on Nordstrom on Amazon. And I mean, this set washes well over time. It's comfortable. And even though it's marketed as a pajama set, this is great to wear every day as just an easy one and done lounge set, especially being a mom when you just want to throw on an outfit, go about your day. Now, as far as sizing, I did size up to a medium. I typically will size up to a medium on sets because I don't like them to be super fitted. And keep in mind, I am 5'8.5", so I do have height. This particular listing on Amazon only only comes in the black, but it comes at right at $19.99, and there's a coupon usually to clip there as well. So you can snag this for a fraction of the price, and trust me, you'll want to wear it on repeat. I don't know about you, but I have loved the Birkenstock sandals for years, but they are expensive. Most of them are over $100. And I just saw this new listing pop up on Amazon a few weeks ago, and they had marketed them as like a cloud platform style. And I was like, those could either be really clunky and uncomfortable, or they could really be super comfortable. And I'm obsessed with them. The actual padding on them, when you walk on them, your feet just kind of melt into them. And they are, as you can see, more of a platform style. I think they're really easy to walk in, and you're getting that same look for right around $22. And this comes in a gorgeous hot pink color and a black. So you can use these with casual looks like I have on here. You can use them if you're going to the pool because they're that fabric that it's easy to walk in if they get wet. They're also very cool on your feet, and these are adjustable here as well. So if you love the look of a Birkenstock, you could opt for these, and they're just a little bit different. Anything platform is super trendy of summer 2024, so opt to grab these for just $22. I have been wearing this necklace on repeat, so you are seeing a very similar summery necklace at Revolve for around $300. Charms are back, and you do not need to spend $300+ on it, but this one has been just a favorite of mine to wear with all the summer looks. This one in particular does have a lot of fruit charms on it, but if you check out the Amazon listing, they do have just a variety of different styles in this charm necklace option, which are just stunning. I feel like the quality is really nice. It doesn't bother me. It's not too heavy, but also I really love it because it switches things up as well. It's not just like your typical dainty necklace. Like, this definitely has some character and can take some basic looks up a notch. New release to Amazon is this seamless scalloped bra. So the fabric and the overall fit and quality of this reminds me so much of my favorite bra that I have purchased. If you follow me on Instagram, you know my love for Soma bras, but their bras are $40, $50. This is a fraction of the price from Amazon, and quality is so standout. It has this gorgeous scallop detailing on it, a thick strap that's adjustable. I also feel like this has better support than the Soma one. It has like a 4 snap back, really nice stretchy fabric, no underwire on it, but it does have removable pads here as an option, and it just goes seamlessly under bodysuits and dresses and outfits that you're wearing this summer, winter season. I also got this in the cream because I've loved it so much. And ladies, we all know the struggle of uncomfortable bras. This one, it's not the bra that you're gonna rip off at the end of the day. It is so comfortable, and I honestly just forget that I'm wearing a bra. It's amazing. And Free People has this hotshot reversible set that comes with a bike shorts and an oversized VT, and it comes at right at $70 on Free People's website. Very popular style, but Amazon has a very similar look to, and it comes at right about $25. This particular listing on Amazon, I've shared with you guys before in the hot pink. Love this set, as well as I also had styled this last summer, but I decided to pick up the brown. I feel like this is very similar to the brown color on Free People's website, but this has the reversible top. It's a long enough top that it covers your bum, has more of the fitted biker style elastic waistband, and I'm wearing my true to size small here. So this is more of that oversized fit, and I opted to go down with my smaller size just because I didn't want the bike shorts to be like gaping and too big, and I'm happy with the size that I went. Obviously, I've purchased this set before, so I knew it ran pretty oversized, but the cotton fabric is really nice and breathable. I love styling this with gold jewelry for just a very chic, classy look. You could throw it on with some white sneakers or some sandals as well for summer. Also think this is the best road trip little set you can throw on, and if it's a little bit chilly out, throw on a denim jacket. So comfortable. So when you're on Nordstrom's website, you are seeing dresses kind of with this specific style with a thicker strap, tiered, loose and flowy, anywhere from $60 to $100+, just depending on the retailer. This specific dress from Amazon is one of my absolute favorites of all time. This year, actually this summer, they just released a new color in this coffee print. So it's lots of browns and pinks and just like the most, this dress looks good on everyone. I love that it has a thick strap, adjustable. You can wear whatever bra you want with it. And if you know, you know. And it has a gorgeous square neckline and this just really beautiful flow to it. The dress also features pockets, come in a wide range of color option. I am wearing my true to size small here, and I also have it in this gorgeous pink white floral print, which would be so beautiful if you have a vacation coming up, maybe in like a very summery event you have to attend, or even just a date night. This dress checks all the boxes. You can wear it with some little white sneakers for a very effortless casual look, or you can opt to throw on some espadrilles, some clear strap heels to take it up a level. But any dress from the Pretty Garden line at Amazon, I'm always blown away by the quality. The fabric is beautiful. It's an easy breezy summer dress. So my summer wardrobe, I wear these two bodysuits on repeat. They are a black and white, so obviously they go with everything, but they feature the high neckline. So Lululemon, very similar one for around $70. These come at right at $23 on Amazon's website. So they're super stretchy, like incredible, buttery soft, seamless fabric. I love to style these underneath sweaters. I'll tuck them into shorts, jeans. If you have workwear, go with a black and white. You can throw them on with trousers, throw on a blazer on top. They're just the new tank top, and you cannot beat the price of these. I mean, the fabric literally feels exactly the same. I wear my true to size small, and I would say they're just like a normal underwear coverage. I know some styles have like thongs, some are full coverage, and this particular style is full coverage. Now, if you're looking for a different neckline that isn't a high coverage, Lululemon has this same style right around $70, $80. This one again is $24. This particular listing on Amazon, I cannot recommend enough. It's a nice thin material. You can see when I'm styling it with the bra in the clip here, it's just seamless. Like everything just goes so seamlessly together, and they don't ride up. They're not uncomfortable. I've tried bodysuits before that feel like they just like ride up, and I'm like, ugh, I don't like this. Really like the fabric, extremely comfortable, and honestly, it's just an easy top that you can throw on. You don't have to worry about your tank tops sliding up, coming out of your shorts. We all know the drill. And we have to take a quick moment for these little floral earrings. I have styled them with so many of the looks in today's video. And when I first had seen the listing, I thought those might be a little heavy. No, they're super lightweight in your ears. They're just gorgeous to go with all of your summer looks. This particular listing does come in a wide range of color options, and you're seeing styles like this of upwards of $30 to $40 to $50. And this one comes at right about $12.99. You have to check out the other options in this specific listing as well. If you are an earring girl like I am, you're gonna love this pair.